Okay, y'all, so I went to the dollar store to get some candles, and I'm opening the car door and they all fell out the car and broke. There was only one that I could save, this one, the white one, but there's like 4 more blue ones. This one crack is right at the top. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna try to see if I can melt them together, or melt them and then put the blue one inside. I know I could just go back to the store and get me another one, but nope, I'm gonna do some little artsy craft. So I put that in medium. I'm gonna cook the thing. So I'm just melting the blue, and then I'm gonna pour it into the white one and see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is how the white one is kind of melted all the way at the bottom, but I don't want the whole thing to melt. I still want it to have mostly white, so I kind of put some holes that goes all the way down. So once the blue one is melted all the way, then I'm gonna pour it into this so it can kind of run down there. So I'm waiting for that. I don't have a taller pot, else this would be a lot easier. But I've read online that you should always keep the oven, or not oven, the stove on medium. So that's what's going on right now. So I kind of tilted it so it's melting right there. And then I have some stickers that I had for a while ago that I'm gonna put on the outside to kind of make it cute. Okay, so this one is melted a lot. Look how pretty the blue is. Ugh. I might find me another bottle or container and put that one in because I like the blue. Alright guys, you gotta be careful because this thing is flipping hot. And you gotta be fast. I don't want it to... Oh, if it was red, it would have been looking like blood. Okay, so that's how it's looking. It's still melted, so it's trying to get firm. And we turn it to the side so that it's not straight up, it's at an angle. So I put it in this little pot to kind of make it get hard on one side, or slanted, because I don't want it to look like the whole bottom is blue. And then I'm trying. It's actually a pretty cool color. I'm gonna let that sit for a little minute. See how the end product looks. Okay guys, here is how it turned out. I just love this blue, it's just super pretty. Hello. So I have these butterfly stickers that I got from wall stickers that I got from the dollar store. So I just pretty much stuck them on there, and that's the end product. excuse my nails. Guys, that is the end product. I just put the stickers on. And that's how it looks. So I turned my accident into something cute and useful. It's still a candle, so I can still use it.